Good afternoon.
Welcome, teacher.
Oh, very good to see you. Did you miss me
Teacher.
yesterday?
Oh, teacher. For me, a surprise. Oh,
Yeah,
my teacher.
your teacher changed.
Cabal. ¿Qué
Yeah,
pasó? Dije, me cambiaron de plataforma, dije yo.
no. Yesterday, Carlita, well, I received an invitation last Friday. 2 months ago, I was teaching a class in a company, in a factory.
Oh.
So that group finished all the program, and they graduated from the advanced six level. So yesterday, well, on Friday, I received invitation, a formal invitation for a lunch. It was in the company in Hainesbrown. So I had to be there at 12:30 p.m.
Oh,
I had
teacher.
to be there with my ex-students and all the people, related with human resources and the bosses, managers, etc., because they were really happy that that group finished already the English course. And
Oh,
so,
teacher.
yeah, I had to ask for permission to my boss, not for not having classes yesterday, right? And I asked a partner, teacher Elena, to substitute my class. Okay.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
The teacher, very nice.
Yeah, Elena is super nice. I told her,
Relax.
yeah, very relaxed, and she's very calm, very polite. And I talked to her yesterday, and I didn't tell you in the group because sometimes the students say, the teacher is not going to be here, so I'm not going to receive the class. So I prefer, to tell just this meeting just to her, right? Because she was going to substitute my class. And she told me that only 4 people, right, were in class yesterday.
Yes.
You were practicing comparatives.
Yes, comparative.
Excellent. Very good. Very good.
Than.
Than, better than, easier than, more important than, etc.
Exactly.
Very good. Today we're going to study the superlatives, okay?
Okay.
Okay, that's it. Very good. So we're going to do that. Did you finish the platform section number 3-4, Carlita?
Yes, teacher. I work in the number. No. Estoy en la number 4.
Number 4. Okay, very good. With
Yes.
comparatives, no?
Yes. Yes. Than.
Okay. Very good, very good. Let me check because did you start the questions with how high, how tall, how big? No.
No.
Okay, very good. That is what we will study tomorrow. Okay, just for
Okay.
you not to have problems, right? Jose is typing, okay, some messages to me. He is doing the exercises right now, and he had a problem in some questions, right? Oh, that's it. Yeah, because remember that we're about to finish, right? Next week we finish, and then we have 1 week off, and then we will come back, right? So it's necessary to be on time, doing everything on time, and that's it. Very nice. How was your day yesterday and today morning, Carlita?
Oh, teacher, nice. The weather is very
cool.
relaxed, cool. I feel relaxed.
Very cool. Yesterday was, well, in the morning it didn't rain, but the day before yesterday, Saturday, Sunday, it was raining.
Yes, in this moment is cloudy, teacher.
Really? In my house, it's very sunny.
Oh.
But maybe in the capital, in the center, it's maybe cloudy.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, cloudy.
What do you prefer? Cloudy days or rainy days or sunny days?
I prefer cloudy.
Cloudy days. Yeah, they are very cool,
Cloudy
right? For
days.
drinking chocolate. And your
Oh,
chocolate, talking about chocolates, right? And your chocolates, Carlita. Did you eat chocolate yesterday?
teacher, I don't have chocolate.
You don't have chocolate yet? Oh my
No,
God. You need to go to
no.
the supermarket.
Yesterday, I ate
Yeah.
chocolate
Okay.
yesterday in the morning
In the like a candy.
in my work.
In your
The
work. Okay.
the white chocolate,
You like white
Hershey,
chocolate. Oh, that's very delicious.
Hershey white chocolate.
Okay, I like it. I prefer white chocolate than dark chocolate.
Ah, okay, teacher.
Yeah. In your
Okay.
case, you prefer dark, right?
Yes, I prefer dark,
Mhm.
but the white chocolate is delicious
Very
too.
delicious. Yes, I know. On let me see, Saturday. Yeah, Saturday afternoon, I drank chocolate. But I drunk.
Oh,
It was very
okay.
nice because my mother made pastelito de carne, right? And
Oh,
afternoon, like a typical food. And then other people made the curtido, and somebody made chocolate, liquid chocolate.
oh,
Uh,
delicious, teacher.
Very delicious.
Teacher, usted
Typical.
tenía
Ajá,
usted tenía una picture de perfil en su WhatsApp,
ajá.
en donde salía con su niña. La niña salía de espaldas.
Oh, okay, yes, yeah.
Está bonita ese
The picture,
ángulo que, ajá,
You know,
que se ve que
my
usted le extiende
photographer.
las manos.
Yeah, my photographer is my husband.
Ajá,
He has a
very nice. The pic.
yeah, he has some special moments. Okay, I don't know. He starts taking pictures. He has a camera, a professional camera, and he likes
Ajá,
taking pictures of trees, the nature, animals, people. But sometimes when I
ajá,
am with my daughter, for example, we were in a cafe, that in that picture, we were in a cafe. It was raining a lot, and my daughter was kind of crying. And I say, come here,
ajá.
come with mama. And she, I don't know, but he just took the picture in that moment. But a lot of people say so. A lot of people say, wow, your picture looks like a magazine picture. I have other pictures. Yeah, see, it is very nice. I like it for real.
Beautiful. The
Mhm.
pic.
Yeah, it is beautiful pic. Okay, Claribel is here. Claribel, hello. Very good to have Claribel here in the class too. Okay, I hope the other guys can join us. Well, who's missing? Jose is missing and Wendy, right? I don't know what happened to Mauricio. Carlita, do you know something about Mauricio?
Oh, no, teacher.
He
No,
disappeared completely, right?
okay.
Completely
Yeah.
disappear. I don't know what happened to him. Okay, well,
Y
we're
él
going
está
to start.
inscrito.
Yeah, supposedly he's in the group. Uh-huh.
Oh,
Okay, and Lester too.
I don't know.
Uh-huh. I don't know what happened to them. And I didn't want to write to them because I don't know, I suppose that they were going to join the class one day, but we almost finished and nothing happened, right? Okay.
Teacher, y se
Mhm.
puede, digamos, trabajar la plataforma, nunca entrar a clases, solo ver la repetición de los videos.
It is possible if you want to, but what is the problem, Carlita? That you will never practice.
Ajá,
And
yes.
that's it. It depends of the objective you have in your life. If your
Okay.
objective is to speak, that's why I'm here to practice and speak with you. If your
Okay.
objective is just to know grammar, vocabulary, and understand some things, well, you can just watch videos and that's it. But the idea for Inglés Corporativo to have this platform in the classes, right? Hello, Jose. Very good to have you here in the class. Okay, it's for practicing English,
Okay.
for speaking and interact with other people. But if you can't for a reason, well, it's possible not to be in this class with me. Okay,
Ujú.
but you have to work on the platform. Okay. For example, there is a guy, there is always a guy, Mr. Cortez. I always see this guy in the WhatsApp group, and he answers sometimes. Thank you very much for the information. Thank you, teacher, or something. And he is never in the class. So, so they exist. They are somewhere. Okay, good. Well, Jose, how was your morning?
Fine.
Very
Thanks.
fine.
Very
Okay,
fine.
cool. Okay, very nice, Jose. Okay, we're gonna try to check the answers. I'm gonna give you the answer from the question that you had after the class. Okay, Jose?
Okay.
Because I think there is one S, una S por ahí está malita. Okay, that's it. Well, guys, we're gonna practice superlatives today, right? You are gonna interact. You're gonna practice superlative with your partners, right? And yesterday with teacher Elena, you were studying comparatives, right? This is when you compare, right? When you have two things, three, four, etc., and you compare, using than, okay? And you add er. For example, here we have big, bigger, that is a comparative. And this is the one that we're going to study today, okay? The biggest. No me recuerdo la hamburger. Okay, the biggest, right? Oh, I remember biggest, right? Jose, do you remember biggest hamburger?
Yes. Sí.
La idea de ellos es decir la más grande. Okay, so that's why
Tu
the name.
bolsa. Do you
Yeah, there were a
remember?
lot of restaurants, but then it was just one in
Ten,
front of the University of El
ten,
Salvador.
10 columns.
10 colones. Ten
Bueno,
colones.
9.99.
Now is $1 supposedly, right?
Around.
Around $1. Okay, this is what we're going to study, guys, today. Okay, and these are the rules that we have to follow, because then we are going to practice, right? For yesterday, for the comparatives, it is important to know that in English there are two kinds of adjectives: the adjectives which are considered to be short, and the adjectives which are considered to be long. Okay. For the short adjectives in the comparative form, you use er, you add er at the end of the adjective, and then you add then. For the superlative, guys, we are going to forget about then, we're going to forget about er, and we're going to use the, okay? The word the, that's in color red, and we are going to add est, okay? est, when the adjective is short. For example, we have old, viejo, and then we have el más viejo, the oldest. Young, this is considered to be a short adjective, so the superlative is joven, el más joven, the youngest, okay? For example, Jose, how old are you?
43 years.
43, very good. And Carlita?
38.
38. Okay. So Carlita is and Claribel, can you hear me, Claribel? Well, I think Claribel is not here. Well, she's here, but she's not here. Okay, she must be away. Okay, so in this case, Carlita is the youngest, okay? Carlita is the youngest girl in the class. Pero si viene Wendy, ya la vamos a preguntar a Wendy, ¿ok? That's it. And José se lleva la presea de... Ok, José creo que sí, me gana José, ¿ok? José is the oldest. Okay, is the oldest man in the class. That's it, the oldest. I'm not comparing, guys. I'm not comparing. Aquí quiero resaltar la característica de uno de ustedes, okay? The only thing I'm doing here is to mention, okay, your characteristic, okay, to the fullest. So, this is with the short adjectives. What happens if I'm using long adjectives? Well, for the superlatives, we use the most, okay? El más, plus the long adjective. For example, exciting, beautiful, important, okay, refreshing, okay, interesting. Those are long adjectives. So for these adjectives, we use the most. Example, exciting, the most exciting, lo más emocionante, the most beautiful, okay? You can say, how would you say, Carlita, mi mamá es la más hermosa mujer del mundo?
Oh, my mother is the most beautiful woman in the world, around the
Excellent,
world.
excellent, perfect, very good. You see, the most beautiful. Usted no la compara, sí la compara, pero allí lo que está haciendo es resaltando, ok, la característica de su mami, que es the most beautiful, right? The most exciting. For example, Jose, do you practice a sport?
No, no much.
Not much, okay. But for example, for you,
Basketball.
basketball. Okay. Do you consider
I
basketball
like
is the
basketball.
most exciting sport? Or there are other a little bit
No,
like more
no.
exciting?
The taekwondo is more exciting sport in
Okay.
the war.
The war. Taekwondo. Okay, very
I
good.
like taekwondo
Okay, perfect. So you say taekwondo is the most.
the most.
Okay, yeah, because you are, okay, está resaltando, está poniéndolo en alto, right? Okay, the most exciting sport, that's it. So, for example, this one, Carlita,
Okay.
who is the oldest children in your family?
Okay.
What is the
My,
name? What is the name of your oldest child?
okay. Fernando is the oldest child in my house,
In
my
your
home.
family. Okay. The oldest, right? How old is Fernando?
18,
80, 82?
12, 12.
12. Okay, 12 years old. Okay, very good. 12 years old. Very good. Okay. Then for other that you have, okay, talking about food, for example, we have different hamburgers. We have McDonald's, we have Wendy's, and we have what is the name of the other one? What is the other name of the hamburgers we have, Carlita?
GBC.
GBC, okay. So let's take those three. For you, what is the most delicious hamburger in San Salvador?
I think GBC is the most delicious hamburger.
Okay, very good. So when you say the most delicious, it's because they are well, in this case, this food is on the top, right? That's it. If you say, for example, José, Claribel, and Carla, okay, who is the tallest? ¿Quién es el más alto? Who is the tallest? And you say, well, I think José. José is the tallest, okay? He is the tallest. So, you know, sí los comparo, pero resalto, okay? Uno, okay? You take only one. There are some adjectives in this case that we have to double the consonant. In this case, it's because the final consonant is doubled because you have to follow this structure. CVC. So what is CVC? Consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay? In this case, you use this. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Look at this. Big. Consonant, vowel, consonant. That's why when you write the comparative or superlative, you have to double the last letter. In this case, it's the letter G. The biggest. If in the platform you write biggest only with one G, it's gonna be incorrect, okay? Grammatically could be okay, but the spelling is gonna be different, okay? Other one, hot, okay? Caliente, el más caliente o la más, el lugar o no sé, the hottest. Look, you double the last letter, okay? In this case, you double the letter T, okay? This happens only with adjectives which follow this structure. Consonant, vowel, consonant, okay? Solamente son los cortitos, okay? I'm gonna give you, okay, in the exercises we're gonna see, okay, other adjectives, okay. In this case, we continue now with the ones that finish or end in the letter Y. What happens? You drop the letter Y and you add I-E-S-T, okay? For example, easy, the easiest. Heavy, the heaviest, okay? Never forget the, please. Never forget the. This is very important. Si en la plataforma solo pone José is most intelligent in the class, this is gonna be incorrect because you need to add the most intelligent, the best, the most beautiful, the most exciting, etc., etc. Okay? There are also irregular adjectives. Creo que esto ya los habíamos visto anteriormente. Just to refresh your memory. Hay dos, bueno, hay tres. En teoría está el otro que es far, lejos. Good, bueno, para que ya no diga gooder o goodest. No. The irregular adjective is, and the superlative is the best. Por eso dice my best friend, right? Okay, my best student, right? In this case, then we have bad, malo, el peor, okay? The best is for good, and the worst is for bad. So here we use bad. For example, I can say, for example, Viejolín is the worst person I know, okay? That's it. So, no hay otro que sea más malo que él, right? So, the worst. These two guys are the ones that we have to memorize, okay? Because they don't follow the structure that I gave you or the rules for being short or being long as an adjective. Okay, so that's why we have this. Then we have here, this is just a reminder, we use the before the superlative form of the adjective. John is the tallest and a Ferrari is the most expensive car, okay? So in short, I can say that in this case, what we have to do is just to identify, okay? Identify if this case we have long or short adjectives, okay? Let's see, Carlita, can you please read this part? Help me to read.
Okay, older, the oldest.
The oldest, very good. Go ahead.
Big Ben is old.
Okay. The Big Bang is the clock, all right? Okay.
The tower is older than Big Ben.
Okay.
The pyramids are older than the tower.
Okay. They are comparing right now. But now, hoy sobresaltamos uno, okay? That is the superlative. Go ahead.
The pyramids are the oldest.
Very good. The pyramids are the oldest. That's it. So, no hay otro que sea más antiguo que esos tres que las pirámides. Okay? That's it. In this case, the oldest. Okay? We use the and we use EST. Okay? Then we go with the second one. Okay? Jose, can you please help me to read the instructions?
Okay. Al, Joe, él. Dice, complete the following sentences. Use the superlative form of the adjectives in brackets.
In brackets. Okay. We have Al, Joe, and Ed. Okay.
Al is short.
Mm-hmm.
2. Ed is thin.
Thing,
3.
This one.
Al is wearing colorful clothes.
Okay.
4. Ed is tall. 5. Joe is smart.
Okay, very good. Let's start, Jose, with the number 1. I want you to use superlative, okay? The superlative form in this case with all.
Al
Yo quiero
is
que
the
diga Al es el más pequeño, right? Go ahead.
Al is the shortest.
Al is the shortest. Very good. Carlita, number 2.
Él is the most thin.
Okay, thin, Carlita, is short or long?
Short.
Thin is a short adjective or is a long adjective?
Short.
It's short. Ajá, very good. So, con los cortos no uso the most, okay?
Ajá, él is the thinnest.
The thinnest, excellent, very good, okay? Number 3, Claribel. Colorful.
Number 3.
Ajá.
All is the is more
Is wearing, okay, Al is wearing.
all is wearing more colorful.
Okay, use superlative. Today we are studying superlatives.
Oh, is superlative. Entonces no sé, teacher.
Colorful is short or long?
Long.
Long.
It's long, okay? So you say the most colorful, okay?
Oh, the
That's it,
most
the most colorful, okay? Al is wearing the most colorful clothes.
clothes.
Exactly, uh-huh.
Okay.
What about the number 4, Wendy? Tall.
Air is the tallest.
The tallest, excellent, uh-huh, very good. Claribel, once again, number 5, smart.
Joy is smart.
Okay, but I want you to use superlative, remember. With short adjectives, we add the, est. With long adjectives, the most.
Joy is that smart.
The smart, ajá, pero agréguele el superlativo.
Smarter.
Ok, no
No
estuvo en la explicación ahorita.
No, teacher.
Ah, ok, ahí está el problema. Ok, Joy is the, vamos a ver, volunteer.
The smartest.
The smartest. Okay, Joy is the smartest. Remember, ahora ya no estamos hablando como ayer. Joy es más inteligente que otro o es más elegante que alguien más. No, ahora yo no estoy comparando, ahora solamente estoy resaltando una característica de una persona, un animal, un lugar, etcétera, ¿ok? Aquí yo quiero que diga Joy es el más elegante. Joy is the smartest. Ed is the tallest. Al is wearing the most colorful clothes. Ed is the thinnest. And Al is the shortest. Okay? Because I'm not comparing, right? Si se fijan aquí en la oración, para saber cuándo es superlativo y cuándo es comparativo, el comparativo siempre va a llevar dos. Okay? In the sentence, there are two objects, to things, to people, to places, etc. In the superlative, guys, there is only one, okay? So aquí solo tengo a Al, right? In the number 2 is only Ed. The number 3 is only Al, okay? So that this is a characteristic of the superlatives, right? Let's continue and go on with this one, okay? This is what you say, the shortest, the thinnest, the most colorful, the tallest, and the smartest, okay? The one that we have here, okay? So let's practice right now. I want to know a little bit about your information, okay? Can you please check your WhatsApp? I'm gonna share with you, okay, the questions that you have in your WhatsApp. If you can share, you have a questionnaire. Okay, check it. Here, I have a lot of questions, well, 10 questions, right? And possible answers. Which animal lives the longest? Okay, let's start. I'm gonna ask you to read the questions, but don't give me the answer, please. Don't give me the answer yet because this is what you are gonna do. Okay. Wendy, let's read the first two questions. Carlita, 3 and 4. Claribel, 5 and 6. Jose, 7 and 8. Please.
Okay, which animals live the longest?
The longest. Continue.
Which one is the tallest?
The tallest. Very good. Continue. Number 3, Carlita.
Which of these is the heaviest?
The heaviest. El más pesado, right? The heaviest. Continue.
Which planet is the smallest?
The smallest. Very good. Continue, please, Claribel.
Which planet is the largest?
Largest. Very good. Number 6.
Which metal is the heaviest?
Heaviest.
Heaviest.
Heaviest. Very good. Number 7, Jose.
Which country is the driest?
The driest. This is for el más seco, right? Driest. Number 8.
Which is closer to the
Ecuador.
equator?
Very
Equator.
good. Which is closest? Aquí estamos hablando de más cercano, okay? That's it.
Okay.
Number 9, which place is the wettest? The wettest is the opposite of the driest, okay? Wet is a lot of,
Húmedo.
there is a lot of water. Number 10, which ocean is the deepest? Okay, then you have the alternatives. The Pacific, the Arctic, etc. Okay, this is what I want you to do, guys. I want you to work in pairs, ask the questions, and you have to agree, and you have to give me the possible answers, right? We're gonna check your score later on. The winners, an extra virtual point. Okay, that's it. Let's accept the invitation, okay, because you're gonna work, okay, in pairs, right? Answer the 10 questions that you already have in your WhatsApp group. Please, let's start.
I start. Which animal lives the longest? A whale, a elephant, o a tortoise? Esto es tortuga, esta última, ¿verdad?
Entonces, lo que son
Yeah,
todas las
it's a total.
Es tortuga. Ok, muy bien. What do you think, José?
a tortoise.
Ajá, ok.
Por Nemo, o sea. Buscando a Nemo. 150 years ago.
Jose, your encyclopedia is so cool.
Yes.
Sometimes we learn a lot from the movies, right? From the children's movies. Go ahead,
Yeah.
go ahead, guys. Continue.
Okay.
Which one is the tallest? An elephant, a giraffe, a camel?
A
A
giraffe.
giraffe. Okay. Which of these is the heaviest? The brain, the heart? What is the meaning the liver?
The liver is hígado.
Hígado, exactly.
The liver. Okay, thanks. The brain.
Ajá, the brain.
Brain. Okay, which planet is the
Okay. Number 3, which of these is the heaviest?
Heaviest.
Heaviest.
The heaviest. I'm not pretty sure, but maybe the brain.
The brain.
Yes, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
For $1 million, Wendy, you have only one option.
For me, it's the brain, teacher.
I don't know how big is the liver. I don't know. And I see my head and I think the brain is the heaviest.
The
I don't
brain.
know.
Okay.
Um,
What do you think, Claribel?
I think the brain.
Okay.
Okay,
Number
choose the
four.
brain. Choose the brain. Mm-hmm.
Number four. Which planet is the smallest?
Mm, for me, it's Venus.
Which one?
Venus.
Venus. I
Venus.
have no idea. So we are going for Venus. But I'm not sure. I think Mercury.
Teacher,
Uh-huh.
who is?
I don't know. You have to choose right now, and then we're gonna check the answers together.
Okay.
I cannot give it.
Okay, teacher.
Number five. Which planet is the largest? I think it's Jupiter.
Like your Júpiter, Saturn, Neptuno. Oh, yo creo que el más
Oh,
grande creo que es
I
Júpiter.
don't know. It's Saturn. I'm not sure. Which one is it has the rings around?
Number 6.
Okay.
Silver and aluminum. Which
Which
metal
metal
is the
is the heaviest?
gold
Gold or silver?
Silver es plata. Oro o
Uh-huh.
Mhm.
sería oro.
Okay, gold.
Okay. Which country is the dressing?
The driest.
Egipto, Chile,
Which,
Perú. Perú sería Egipto.
maybe Egypt for the
No. De the 10. Dejemos para el final las 9.
Okay.
Which ocean is deepest? El océano.
The Arctic.
No.
Por los icebergs.
The Pacific. The Pacific al sureste de las Islas Marianas. The Pacific es.
Okay.
Only 9.
Place is the wettest.
What is Hawaii? Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Hawaii. Where are these? Hawaii. It's not Hawaii. Hawaii is beach. Or Indonesia.
Bogor.
I am googleando.
Or Manaus.
Googling.
It's Bogor. Bogor is raining a lot of raining in the year. Bogor.
Yeah. Bogor in Indonesia.
In Indonesia.
Indonesia. Okay. Finish, teacher.
Finish? Okay, we're gonna wait for a minute because of Claribel and Wendy are not ready yet. Okay.
Okay.
Recheck your answers because we're going to check it together.
Ajá. Lo que podemos hacer, José, es
Pues,
Mercurio.
biggest planet. Va, yo ando buscando el más grande.
Okay.
Es Júpiter.
Júpiter.
Yes.
Ok. Habíamos dicho bien Júpiter.
Estaba bien, entonces.
Pequeño habíamos dicho Venus y no era Venus. Era
Venus.
Ya nos descubrieron, creo yo.
I am watching you. Okay,
Yes, we
finish.
want to be sure.
Yeah, I know. You really want the extra point, right? The virtual extra point. Okay, ready?
Ready?
Yeah, okay, very good. We're gonna come back to the main session and we're gonna check the answers together, right?
Okay.
Let's see.
Your microphone.
Yes, thank you, Jose. Okay, we're ready,
Okay.
right? We're ready to check
Yes.
the answers. Perfect. Okay, remember, if you have a different answer, don't worry, okay? We are just learning. Number one, Carla, read the question.
which animal lives the longest?
What is your answer?
The answer is a tortoise.
A tortoise, And what about you, Wendy Claribel?
A tortoise.
A tortoise, okay. Let's see the answer. I'm gonna give you the answer later on, okay. Let me check quickly. Okay, let me check here. They live more than 100. A tortoise, perfect, very good. Well, I'm gonna give you the answers later on. Continue, Jose.
Hola.
Jose,
Hello.
continue with the second
Okay.
question.
Which one is the tallest?
An elephant?
My answer is a giraffe.
A giraffe, okay, very good. And what about you, Wendy and Claribel?
A giraffe.
Okay, very good. The giraffe for, for the neck, okay. Number 3, which of these is the heaviest? Okay, Wendy?
I think it's the brain.
The brain, and Jose and
The brain.
Carlita?
The brain too.
Teacher, the
The
brain.
brain too, okay, that's it. Number 4, Claribel, which is...
Give us the answer.
Okay, I'm gonna give you the answer when we finish reading. Because I want to check if you have similar or different answers. Okay. Which planet is the smallest?
The smaller.
According to you and Wendy, right?
Mercury.
Mercury, Venus, or the
We
Earth?
have Mercury.
You have?
Mercury.
Mercury. Okay, Mercury. And what about Jose and Carla?
Mercury too.
Mercury too. Okay. Which planet is the largest? Carlita?
Jupiter.
Jupiter. Okay, Jupiter. Wendy and Claribel?
We have Jupiter too.
Jupiter too. Se copiaron. Number 6, Wendy. Which metal is the heaviest?
We choose gold.
Gold. And Jose?
Gold too.
Gold too. Okay, let's check. Which country is the driest? Claribel? Egypt. For the desert. And Carlita, which country is the driest?
Egypt too.
Okay, Egypt too. Okay. Which is the closest to the equator? Malaysia, Colombia, or India, Jose?
Colombia.
Colombia, okay. And Wendy and Claribel?
Colombia.
Colombia. Very similar. Which place is the wettest? Claribel?
Hawaii.
Hawaii. And Carlita?
Bogor, Indonesia.
Bogor, Indonesia. Okay, you have different answers. We're gonna check, okay. Number 10, please. Wendy, read the question and the answer. Give me the answer.
Which ocean is the deepest? And we choose the Pacific.
And Carlita chose?
Yes, teacher, the Pacific.
The Pacific. Okay, let's see for one extra virtual point. That's it. Okay. A tortoise.
Cuba.
Perfect. The liver. Júpiter. Miren, no pesa el cerebro. Yeah, a giraffe, yeah, the tallest. The liver is the heaviest. Okay, miren que hemos aprendido en cultura ahora. Ajá. Mercury, Jupiter, Gold, Egypt, Colombia, Hawaii.
I think we are.
So
Carla tenía la razón.
Yeah,
I think we have the same.
the same points.
Yes.
Yeah, right. Yeah, creo que, pero ambos dijeron the brain, right?
Correct.
The only
Oh,
difference,
yes.
the only difference, Wendy and Jose, Carlita and Claribel, is that you said Claribel and Wendy, Hawaii, and Jose and Carlita,
Indonesia.
Indonesia. So I think the winners
We
are
won.
Claribel and Wendy. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Pasar a inglés corporativo, retirar su.
Nos equivocamos en una.
Very good. So we finish, okay, with this practice, okay? It says complete the questions from 1 to 4. And then from 1 to 4, I want you to use comparatives, el tema de ayer. And from the questions 5 to 8, you have to use them with superlatives, okay? Let's start, okay, with Jose. We continue then with Claribel. We finish, we continue with Wendy and Carlita, you have the number 4. Go ahead,
Okay.
please, Jose.
Okay.
First, we have comparatives.
Which country is smallest? Monaco or
Ajá, comparative, Jose.
Okay.
Se fija aquí, va, imagínense que usted no sabe si va a usar comparative y superlative. ¿Cómo? ¿Y cuál es el tip, teacher?
Bueno. Small.
Ajá, entonces aquí es bien fácil, mire, porque aquí tenemos dos. Cuando mencionan el or, ok, that's it. Es como que es una de dos. Mira, hay dos, ¿ve? One en Mónaco, en Vatican. Cuando es comparative, ok? Go ahead.
Okay, which country is smaller?
Very good. Which country is
Monaco
smaller?
or Vatican City?
Very good. Number 2, please. Wendy?
Which
Oh, no, Claribel.
which waterfall is higher?
Higher. The pronunciation, higher.
Higher.
Ajá.
Niagara Falls or Victoria Falls?
Okay, Niagara Falls or Victoria Falls? Which waterfall is higher? Very good. Number 3, Wendy.
Which city is crowded? Hong Kong or Cairo?
Okay, very good. Which city is, okay, in this case is, what was your answer, Wendy?
Crowder?
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Okay, yeah, because this is considered to be long. Este es largo.
Crowded?
Ajá. No, the comparative. More crowded. Ajá, more crowded. Okay, which city is more crowded? Hong Kong or Cairo? Number 4, Carlita.
Which lake is largest? The Caspian Sea or Lake Superior?
Superior.
Superior.
Okay, can you please repeat your answer?
Which lake is largest?
Okay, superlative. Comparative. ¿Qué vieron ayer?
I don't remember, teacher.
Larger.
Largest.
No,
Larger.
si dice largest, es superlative.
Okay.
Larger.
Larger.
Ajá. Which lake? Repeat, please, Carlita.
Which lake is larger? The Caspian Sea or Lake Superior?
Ajá. Sí. The Caspian Sea.
The Caspian Sea.
Or Lake Superior.
Or Lake Superior.
Okay, very good. Si se fijan, a partir de las 5, y ustedes ya no tienen 2 opciones, ahora tienen 3 o más. Mount Akawa, Mount Everest, Mount Fuji. Quiere decir, chicos, que aquí ya van a usar superlatives.
Superlatives.
Ese es el tip que les estoy dando. Si son dos, van a usar comparatives. If you have three, it's very common to use superlatives. So the topic
Aunque,
that we studied today. Ajá.
aunque nosotros sepamos que, digamos, si estamos hablando del monte más alto, el Everest y el Fuji, yo sé que es el Everest, pero como solo son dos, siempre voy a utilizar el
El
higher.
Ajá, exactly. Ajá, because it's
Okay.
comparative. Ajá, that's
Thanks.
it. Excellent. Number 5. Let's continue. Carlita. Number 6, Jose. Number 7, Maribel. Number 5.
Which is highest? Which is highest? Mount Aconcagua, Mount Everest, or Mount Fuji?
Ajá. Can you please repeat, Carlita?
Which is highest?
Ok, ahí se le va olvidando algo. Acuérdese lo que le dije. Nunca
The highest.
Excellent. The pronunciation. Listen. The highest.
The highest.
The highest.
The highest.
Ajá. Which is the highest?
Which is the highest?
Mount Aconcagua, Mount Everest, or Mount Fuji? That's it. Very good. Jose, number 6. Claribel, number 7.
What is the longest rivers in the world? The
Mekong.
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 The Nile.
The Nile.
The,
Eso sí, Nile.
Nile. Or the Amazon.
Amazon. That's it. What is the longest? Okay, a river. Okay, for example, what is the longest river in El Salvador, guys? Do you remember?
Rio Lempa.
The Lempa River. Very good. Number 7, Claribel.
Which city is expensive?
Okay, pero úseme el superlative, please. Yo quiero que diga cuál ciudad es la más cara.
The most expensive.
Excellent. Which city is the most expensive? Give me the options, please.
London, Tokyo, or Moscow?
Moscow. What do you think, Jose?
Obvious. London.
London. Very
London. Tokyo is
cheap.
Is cheap. En Tokio tengo entendido que hay lugares donde los turistas pueden comprar con $1. Las cosas valen $1
really?
para los turistas.
Oh my God.
So o sea, ahí encuentra pastas de dientes de $1. O sea, en
Tokyo is
Geneva. Geneva, pero
it's good. The change is like $1, right?
Exactly.
Okay. So Tokyo is better than Panama. In Panama, you know, I was talking to a person and he told me that in Panama, everything is expensive. The English classes are expensive. So the cheap thing to buy in Panama is the clothes, only the clothes, shirts, pants, shorts, etc. But the food, the services, everything is very expensive. Y yo le digo, fíjese que aquí se dan clases de inglés gratis. Solo se necesita trabajar en ciertas áreas y bla, bla, bla. Ok, presentar planillas y seguro social. Y me dice, oh my God, I want to have English classes for free. In Panama, no, it's very expensive. That's one of the most expensive things in Panama. Okay, very good to know. Well, Wendy is here again. Welcome back, Wendy. Number 8 for you, Wendita. Superlative, Wendy.
What is the deepest ocean in the world? The Pacific, the Atlantic, or the Arctic?
The Arctic, excellent. What is the deepest ocean in the world? The Pacific, the Atlantic, or the Arctic? Okay, very good. Look at this one, just to refresh your memory. Here we have 2 options. We use comparatives. Here we have 3, so we use superlatives. Y no se me olvide, por favor, please, 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 con el the. Okay, that's something that you don't have to forget in the platform. Okay, that's it. Finally, guys, I have a game show for you. This is a listening exercise that I have for you. So everybody, please turn on your speakers okay? Because we're gonna do this to finish the class today, right? Listen to 3 people on a TV game show. Who wants to be a millionaire? You have to give me the answers, right? And give me the correct answer. The number 1, the Statue of Liberty, the Eiffel Tower, or the Panama Canal. The number 2, Niagara Falls, Angel Falls, Victoria Falls. Number 3, gold, butter, or feathers, right? This is plumas, okay? Number 4, the United States, China, or Canada. Number 5, India, Russia, or China. And the number 6, Australia, Argentina, or Brazil. This is what you have to identify. Just give me the answers, please. There we go.
Page 94, Exercise 6. Listening. Game show. Listen to 3 people on a TV game show. Check the correct answers.
Our contestants this evening are Jack, Susan, and Jonathan. And now, contestants, let's get right to our first question. Question number 1. Which is the oldest? The Statue of Liberty, the Eiffel Tower, or the Panama Canal? Jack?
The Statue of Liberty is the oldest. They built it in 1886. They didn't build the Eiffel Tower until 1889 and the Panama Canal until 1914.
That's correct. Question number 2. What is the highest waterfall in the world? Is it Niagara Falls, Angel Falls, or Victoria Falls? Susan?
Angel Falls is the highest. It's over 1,000 meters high.
That's right. Question number 3. Which is the heaviest? A pound of gold, a pound of butter, or a pound of feathers? Jonathan?
They all weigh the same.
Yes. Question number 4. Which country is the largest? The US, China, or Canada? Nobody knows? Does anybody want to guess? Jack?
China is the largest.
No, sorry.
Oh, shoot.
Jonathan?
Canada is the largest.
Correct. Question number 5. Which country has the largest population? India, Russia, or China? Susan?
China has the largest.
Very good. Question number 6. Which is the smallest? Australia, Argentina, or Brazil? Susan?
Argentina is the smallest of the 3.
That's right. Okay, contestants, the winner is...
Okay, very good. Let's check the answers here for the number 1. What was the answer for the number 1, guys?
The Statue of Liberty.
The Statue of Liberty, very good. For the number 2?
The Angel Falls.
The Angel Falls, very good. I want to go there. Number 3?
The same.
Dice, ¿cuál es la más pesado, right? Which is the heaviest? So, si dicen una libra todos, so all the same. So check for gold, check for butter, and check for feathers. What about the number 4?
Canada.
Canada.
Canada, exactly, okay. Number 5, who's the largest population?
China.
India, Russia, or China? China, perfect. And the smallest country?
Argentina.
I'm not sure.
Well, El Salvador.
Yes. I was looking for El Salvador there.
Yeah, but there was no option there. Okay, but it was Argentina. Okay, it was Argentina. Good, very good. Well, guys, check that. Okay, recheck once again. Work in the platform. Do the exercises. Ya vamos a terminar con José. Section 4. Okay. Mañana vemos las preguntas, José.
Ya lo arreglé, cabal, una de
perfect.
esas.
Está ese, right? Very good.
Pero no está en la...
Exactly. Ahorita
Ajá.
acabo de hablar con la persona que lo digitó. But don't worry, okay? Ya lo van a arreglar, okay? So, we're gonna work on that tomorrow with the questions with how tall, how high, how big, etc. Okay? It was a pleasure to see you guys today, okay? Thank you for being so participative in my classes. See you tomorrow then, okay? Any questions, let me know.
Thank
And don't
you.
forget to do the exercises in the platform, okay? Goodbye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye,
Bye,
guys.
man.